Welcome to Fun with Maths. Today we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers close to 101,000. Multiplication of numbers close to 100. 108 times 103. 108 equals 100 base plus 8. And 103 equals 100 base plus 3. Now we write the question like this. Write this 08 over here. And this 03 over here. Now multiply 08 and 03 to get 24. Over here, we add either 108 plus 03 or 103 plus 08, which equals 111. Now, bring this 111 over here. Your answer is 11,124. 98 times 97. 98 equals 100 base minus 02. And 97 equals 100 minus 03. Now we write the question like this. Now we write this minus 02 over here, and this minus 03 over here. Now, multiply minus 02 and minus 03 to get 06. Over here we either subtract 03 from 98 or 02 from 97. Which equals 95. Now, we take this 95 over here. Your answer is 9,506. (1007 times 1004). 1007 equals 1000 base plus 007. And 1004 equals 1000 base plus 004. Now we write the question like this. Write this 007 over here. And this 004 over here. Now multiply 007 and 004 to get 028. Over here, we add either 1007 plus 004 or 1004 plus 007, which equals 1011. Now, bring this 1011 over here. Your answer is 1,011,028. 997 times 995. 997 equals 1000 base minus 003. And 995 equals 1000 minus 005. Now we write the question like this. Now we write this minus 003 over here, and this minus 005 over here. Now, multiply minus 003 and minus 005 to get 015. Over here we either subtract 005 from 997 or 003 from 995.